Hi, my name's Dave Bain. I teach at People's Academy in Morrisville, Vermont, and I'm also a Phase 1 teacher with VTL VC. And for my project, I'm going to show you folks and demonstrate how to incorporate YouTube videos into your Moodle. I know that for many of us, our school firewalls and filters present a problem. And I'm just going to show a method or two of incorporating YouTube videos into your Moodles. Very easy. Way to maybe not get around your firewall, but use YouTube videos in your Moodles. Before we get started, I just want to let you folks know that I'm using a piece of software called Camtasia Studio. It's a screen capture device or piece of software. It allows me to record my voice, video off a webcam, and anything that I do on my computer screen. I think I'm going to use it a lot with my online students this fall in the class that I'm going to teach. Just thought you should know how I'm doing this. Okay, so what I've done is I've gone to the YouTube homepage, and this is pretty standard. I created a video on YouTube last winter of my kids during a snowstorm. I'm going to use that video for this project, for this purposes of showing you how to maybe grab a YouTube video and use another piece of software to get it in your Moodle. So what I'm going to do now is I have the screen capture tool on. I've got rid of the panel or the window that has my picture in it. I can turn it on, turn it off. For this, I'm going to turn it off. So I'm going to type in Wolcott, Vermont, and do a little search. And the little video is only 8 seconds long, so bear with me. So I'm going to play the little 8-second video. You don't need to do this, but I just want to show you what the video looks like.
Hi again. How you doing? Hello, YouTube.
So what I want to do for this, I want to copy the URL. So just click up here on the URL, do a Control-C to copy, or you can go Edit Copy the URL. And you can close out of YouTube now if you'd like. Okay, so what I've done now is I've got the window back open on my screen, the little window video panel of myself hooked up to a webcam. And I've loaded a website called SafeShare.tv. This is what it looks like. So if you'll remember, I copied the URL from the YouTube video that I wanted. What this will do is it will get rid of the bad stuff that might be on a YouTube video, and it'll also allow me to crop videos if I need to. I'm sure that there are some YouTube videos that you've seen before that you'd like to use in your class, but they're too long and you'd like to shorten them up, but you don't have the software to do it. But this has the software to do it. It's a pretty neat little tool. So what I'd like you to do now is if you've copied a YouTube video, you paste it in here. It'll create a brand new SafeLink for you that you can copy to a host of places. So what I'm going to do is hit Create a SafeLink. There's the SafeLink down at the bottom. So again, what I can do is there's a whole bunch of places that I could save this to. If you click on Save and Share, you can save this to Facebook, Delicious, Google Bookmarks, MySpace, Facebook, and you can also just copy the URL. And then you can embed it in your Moodle. And that's what we're going to do. This way, you can kind of get around your firewall. So I'm going to copy this again, and I can get out of this. I just want to be clear and make sure that you folks understand that the reason that we're using the SafeShare.tv website is because at my school, if I try to embed a video or use a video across the net, our school filter will pick it up and it won't let me use the video at all. If I save the video to our servers at school, it'll pick it up also. Google at my school sometimes is blocked, sometimes it's not. Depends on the mood of the tech folks. So SafeShare takes whatever, it's probably a Google or word, a phrase, a string within the Google URL that flags the servers, the firewall, the filters to not allow Google videos to be used. So what SafeShare does is it kind of changes the name of the Google video so you can use it. you shouldn't have any problems with your firewall or your filters. Again, it's a great little tool. Alright, as you can see, I've logged on to the VTVLC website where my Moodle is hosted. This is the Moodle that I used and started creating at the beginning of the semester. It's called David Bain. This is the one that I started doing the electronic portfolio with. And what I'd like to do now is to add a resource. So I'm going to click on and go to my normal mode, return to my normal mode. And I am going to turn editing on. And we're going to go down to the bottom. And on the 9th week of the course, I'm going to add a resource. Under May 8th through the 14th, I'm going to add a web link. And as you can see, it's loading. Takes a couple seconds to load. And I'm going to give this a name. I'm going to call it SafeShare TV web link. I'm going to provide a description in it down here in a second. I'll fill that in for you. But right here is where you'd copy the link that you copied earlier. Right here, the SafeShare TV converted link from a YouTube link to a SafeShare link. And what the SafeShare link does again is it gets rid of all the advertisements. It allows you to shorten up the video if you'd like. And it'll help you get through the filters and firewalls at your school. So we're going to save and return to course and see what it looks like. Okay, we're almost done with this activity. So what I have is I have the Moodle open off the VTVLC website. Again, this is the Moodle that I worked on at the beginning of the year. We've already created the link down at the bottom of the page, the very last activity that I have the kids doing. Here's the activity. Kids click on this link and they'll see a real short 8-second video of my kids. But what I haven't done yet is I haven't given a description of what this activity is. So I'm going to edit the summary, and I've already typed it up, so all I really need to do, I did this so we could save some time. I copied and pasted it from a Microsoft Word document. There's a brief description of the activity, and I'm going to save the changes. Takes about a second. And I'm going to turn editing off. And I'm going to see what the website or the Moodle looks like in the eyes of a student. So a student would scroll down to the bottom. Hopefully they've done all the previous assignment. Here's a little description of what the activity is. Kids click on this link, and hopefully the YouTube video with all the advertisements pops up. There we go. And there we go. That's how you embed a YouTube video without all the advertisements, and it will get by your filters. Hope you can use this activity, and I'll give you a real brief rundown on how to do this following this short clip.